And welcome back to Living East Tennessee. I'm Kelly Smith. Well, we all want to walk into that room with confidence, with a bright smile. But did you know that your dental or oral health does play a major role in your overall health? Joining us today to walk us through that, we have Dr. Stephen Malone with Malone Dentistry. Thank you so much for being here today. So many areas our oral health actually affect. One of them, our heart, right?
And that's right. And the oral health has a lot to do with the heart. If there's inflammation in the mouth, it can be a systemic problem, and people don't realize that dentists a lot of times see the heart problems just from seeing inflammation in the mouth. It's at least a higher risk of heart problems for having dental issues. So we help a lot of people in just trying to be overall healthier and keep that from happening.
Right. And if you're having sleep issues, sleep apnea, another area, your dental health plays a role.
That's right. That's the new hot subject in dentistry. So
right.
Sleep apnea, there's a lot of things being talked about with sleep apnea, but one of the big things is we see tooth wear that's a result of people trying to get an airway at night.
Okay.
So we work with sleep doctors, and there's many dentists trying to treat sleep apnea through dental devices and other things. And sometimes we can prevent dental problems from even happening over a lifetime by preventing that early on in life. And we're finding it's not the middle-aged, overweight man that has that problem. It's a problem throughout society today.
Right. So better sleep helps all of us in the long run.
That's the truth, for sure.
You know, if you haven't visited your dentist recently, there's so many technology devices, new age things that go into dentistry these days. It makes a trip to the dentist a lot easier.
You know, I've been in practice here in Knoxville since '97, and my dental practice is nowhere near the same as it is today.
Wow.
You know, we can take x-rays and have them instantly. We can take three-dimensional x-rays. We can place implants virtually on a computer rather than kind of this artistic thing that we used to do that didn't always work out well.
Right.
And the results are a lot better, and it's easier on the patients. We do impressions without putting the goop in your mouth. We can do it with a camera.
Wow.
And we can have things a little bit faster than we used to. Some days, the same day, you can have a crown in your mouth.
Right.
You know, that's not always appropriate, but we can do some things we were never able to do.
Which is just remarkable.
Right.
And there are lots of pain-free treatment options available that are more organic in this day and age. You're not having to use the medicines you had to in the past,
and
right?
One of the things we're challenged with is reducing opioids. Opioids are a big problem in society, and they've traced it back. A lot of it's to dental appointments.
Wow.
So we're able to give a pain medication around a surgical site that can last for about 3 days, and they may not have to take any pain medication at all.
Yeah, just incredible. And we mentioned before we even started, you know, there are some that have that fear of going to the dentist. You guys work in your office to make sure it's a pleasant, just pain-free experience for your patients.
Yeah, and you know, it doesn't have to be that way. You need to trust the person that's working on you. You have to lose control and let somebody do something for you. And if it's a scary environment or you have doubts, that's a tough place to be. So we work real hard at trying to make people comfortable.
Right. Lastly, we know our teeth do give us that confidence. What's it like for you to see some of the patients, the before and afters, folks who come in who don't want to share their smile, but then they leave your office and they're proud of that smile?
Yeah, it's a privilege.
Yeah.
To be able to help somebody improve their confidence and improve their smile. Sometimes it surprises me still. I've been doing it over 20 years, and I can tell you it really is rewarding to see somebody's smile change.
Well, thank you so much for all you do.
You're
we
welcome.
appreciate you being here today. And for more information, you can check out Dr. Malone's practice on our website at livingeasttennessee.com. Still